Welcome back to Kerin Up Top Kitchen. Yes, you know what we're going to do today? I'm going to do some Rasta pasta. Yes, okay. So I'm going to use all of these ingredients right here. And I have some chopped tomatoes here. I have like 2 pounds of these big boy shrimp, okay? And I have some spinach. I have some mixed vegetable. I have some lobster meat, and you know, Parmesan cheese, and also, you know, what is this already? All my blend up season, my onion, my scallion, my thyme, my bell pepper, little every little thing blend up there. And you know, my heavy cream is a must because it's going to do Alfredo style. And also my butter, that little black pepper, and some pepper seed. And also I have here is some lemon pepper season. So this is it. And my pot is already ready for the pasta to go in. Soon as the water boil, I'll be putting in the pasta. So see, the pot is boiling. So now I'm going to put in pasta. So now this pot is hot for the to make the. So I'm just going to use 2 sticks of butter. Now I'm going to pour the heavy cream in. So I'm going to pour in the heavy cream. I have to pre-cook the shrimp. So I'm just going to cook it because the lobster is cooked and the vegetables are already cooked. So I'm just going to saute the shrimp a little. So I just put I put some I already put some black pepper and little salt on the shrimp. That's just for taste. Okay, this is it. So this is pre-cooked. So I'm going to put it aside, and then I do my Alfredo sauce. All my other ingredients to my boiling sauce. Now this is just the heavy cream and butter is in this. going to put, remember I sauteed the shrimp, so I'm going to put the sauteed shrimp in. I'm also going to put the lobster meat. Rich and creamy. Then now I'm going to put the spinach. Welcome back to Kerin Up Top Kitchen. Now you know what happened is our surprise guest is here. So we're going to do our tasting and it's going to be delicious. Me know say delicious. Okay, here comes our surprise guest. Ta-da! This is Patrick and this is Nikki, wife and husband. So they come to taste. These guys dig in. How is the pasta?
Wonderful. Real up top.
Tell you Kerin Up Top Kitchen doing it. Yeah. See? Lobster.
Shrimp.
Shrimp. And you know you have to have some garlic bread with it. No, right? Yeah. Delicious. The shrimp is soft, wonderful.